and welcome back to my channel. So today I have my latest Stitch Fix box, and if you hear any clip clopping, that's my dog. She's trying to help me with this video. But here's the paperwork, and in case you are not sure how Stitch Fix works, Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. You fill out a profile for your very first time of styling, you get matched up with a stylist, and then you pay a $20 styling fee once they style you. However, I have a link in my comments, and if you use that, you will get your first fix fee waived, the styling fee, so you won't have to pay anything to be styled, and you'll also get $25 to shop your first fix. And I'll also get $25 to shop a future fix. But that said, let me read my note. I have Jaren, and I have had Jaren for quite some time. Jaren's note says, "Happy Fix Day. What a fantastic selection you made for this fix. I am so glad we were able to track down the Z Supply Reverie dress in blue for you. Your excitement is contagious, and I can't wait for you to try it on. You've curated a mix of easygoing summer staples and a touch of polish that's perfect for the season. I can't wait for you to see these in person. Let's jump into the rest of the pieces. The Cosmic Blue Love wide leg jeans are a fresh addition to our lineup, and I'm eager to hear how you feel they fit and the feel of this brand new style. The black Sam Edelman heels will add a chic finish to the pattern dress. Make them great for everything from a casual day out to a summer evening event. I tried to track down the low heels. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to include them this time, but I'll keep an eye out for future fixes." So, without further ado, and if you want any more info about Stitch Fix that I might have not given you, I will probably give you a little bit more in my wrap up, or you can actually check some more videos on my channel. I've been doing Stitch Fix for many fixes. This doesn't even say what fix I'm on, but I believe I'm into 90 something fixes right now. So that gives you a gauge of how many years I've been doing Stitch Fix, quite a few. But like I said, let's get right into this fix. I am so excited. As Jaren said, there is a dress in here, and I'm actually wearing it, so when I come back, we're gonna talk about it. But this dress I've been asking for over and over and over again, so stay tuned. Okay, I am back. I'm gonna put my glasses on, and as promised, I'm wearing the dress. So this is the Z Supply Reverie Knot Triblend dress. It is in blue, size extra small, and $69. Okay, so there's a story behind this dress. And I am not even kidding you. I have this dress in black, camo print, and like a khaki green color. And I've been wanting this blue color forever. I asked for it last year, and I think even the year before, and I kept getting denied. And yes, I could see it in if I wanted to style it myself, but I really wanted to see like if I could get in a fix and do a buy all, or at least get the discount applied. So I held off. So without further ado, here's the dress. And it is such a simple jersey style dress. I'm not even kidding. It's lightweight, it's cotton, it's just easy breezy, comfortable for this time of the year. And if it's warm, I can wear it just like a tank top. If not, I can throw my jean jacket on, and that's what I usually do with my other versions of this dress. If I'm running an errand and I'm going into a store and I think I'm going to be a little bit cooler, I take my jean jacket with me. If it's the beginning of the summer or, you know, a cooler summer day, again, pack that jean jacket, and it is perfect because it is a long maxi dress, but it's still ankle length on me. I am 5'2" for reference. So it is a perfect dress in my opinion. And actually, this is even the type of dress, I might have to pan down because I don't know if you can see the full length, but because I'm backing into my couch at this point. But this dress, you could even wear over a bathing suit. That is how comfortable this dress is and how versatile. It's literally like just a V-neck. Here's the front. Here's the back. Racer back. Tank. It is so comfortable. I'm gonna pan down so you can just see the length. So, okay, now you can at least see the length. And I am wearing my, I thought, the blue with the white. I have these also in like a brown color, but my Birkenstocks, my buckle Birkenstocks. I don't know if you've seen them, but they're cute and they're comfortable. So I put them on with that. You could even wear this with a flip-flop, to be honest. Like, you could dress it up, dress it down. Yeah, and you could see it notches up here on the leg. So on both sides, it does have like this triangle notch. Perfect, perfect dress. Okay, so I'm back. You saw the bottom of this dress. Before I change into the next outfit, I just want to say I am so excited about this dress. This is a keeper. This is not leaving me. I have waited long enough for this dress. This is my first keeper in this fix. So I just wanted to say that. That said, I have 2 more outfits. So I'm going to switch and I'll be back in a moment with the next outfit. Okay, I am back. And I have the next dress in this fix on. And I have heels on with it that are from this fix. So let's first talk about the dress. I am wearing the VERO MODA Easy Joy Singlet Smocked Maxi dress in black, size extra small, $59. And then the shoes, hang on, as I'm like tripping on myself. These are by Sam Edelman. They are Dollie heels. So Sam Edelman footwear, Dollie heel, black, size 7, $120. So they are literally just a black little kitten heel with the tongue for the toes. There's the underneath. I mean, they're cute. Not sure, but put them back on, sorry. So here's the dress, and it is like in a black and like gold smocked top, and then just comes out on the bottom. Straps are adjustable. Here's the front. Here's the back. I will pan down to show you the full length. It's very, very long. Yeah, so hang on for the full length. So here's the full length. Very, very long. Like, again, I'm 5'2", and it's dragging on the floor. You can barely see the heels. So I'm not sure. This would have to be probably taken up. And I don't know if I love it enough to take it up, to be honest, or need it. But it is cute, but I mean, little too long for my height, so. Okay, I'm back, and I have the last 3 items in the fix on for this third and last outfit. So there were 6 items in total. I actually chose more than the 5 from my preview, because I get a preview. I think most people get the preview now. And I also just got the option that I could add something in, and I missed that window, but I ended up getting that Reverie dress, so I'm not upset about that. But I did get that new option of choose one item and your stylist will add that item and then curate a whole fix around it. So that was something new for me this time. So without further ado, I have this button-down shirt on, and this is by Z Supply. This is the Becca linen button-down shirt in beige, size extra small, $79, which if you saw my trend send before this, I had this almost the same blouse shirt by Z Supply, but I had it in more of a red and a white stripe. This one is like beige and white with like, I almost think like a little bit of gold kind of running through it. And then underneath I have a cami, and this is by Bella Doll. This is the Nicoletta frayed hem top, and it's in light blue, extra small, $86. And last but not least are the Cosmic Blue Love Ray high rise wide leg. I guess it's denim. It is cut off, but all of the info will be in the comments, as well as you'll see cards before this. I don't want to take the time to go grab my phone to get this, but they're just denim jeans in indigo, size extra small, $98. So let me put my stuff down, and then we'll discuss. And I will pan down as well for the jeans. But I just left this loose, open, like flowing. You could button it all the way down, tuck it in. But I left it kind of, for the sake of this video, I kind of just made this outfit with the 3 items. So the jeans, working pockets in the front. It does have a snap closure, zipper, and then a cute little like tie at the waist. Here's the back. There are working pockets in the back. Yeah, I mean, they're very, very high rise. Just so you know, like these jeans are incredibly high rise. So I'm going to take this off so you can see the fraying is here. I don't know if you can see, but it's like up the top, like by the V. It is adjustable. It has adjustable straps. The length of it, I did a front tuck, but the length is pretty much the same length all around. It's kind of boxy. You could see how long it is. It's covering like my tush area. So, yeah. And then let me pan down. I want you to see the length of the jeans. So hang on. Okay. Let me back up so you can see them. So, actually they're pretty good length. They're not too long, considering again I'm 5'2", so just for reference. But yeah, I mean, this is, like I said, the third and final outfit. I'm gonna pan back up. Hang on. Okay. So now you've seen all of the outfits in this fix. I'm going to do this quick wrap up. So let me grab my paperwork and hang on. I've already read the note to you. So how Stitch Fix works is if you were to choose 5, all 5, and now I have 6 in here, so if I choose at least 5 of the items, I will get a 25% off discount. But for all 6 items, if I were to keep everything in this fix, it is $511. The buy all 5 plus discount is $127.75. So the new order subtotal is $383.25. Shipping is free. And they just started something new with shipping, by the way, and I used it for the last fix that I had gotten, where you could choose. So they used to give you like the shipping envelope to send back, and it could just all go back by the post office. But I gotta be honest, I almost got screwed one time with that. Like I sent it back right after I checked out, and it took so long to go back that I got charged for the items that I shipped back. And I reached out and they did credit me, but it was a pain in the butt pretty much, because I sent it back, but their shipping method was taking forever. So I don't know if, like, you know, this is just one time that happened to me. I don't know if other people are having that issue. So now they've included the option that you don't have to send it back by the post office. They give you the option to send it back by FedEx. And I did that. I dropped it off at my local Walgreens. I packaged it back up in the box and I sent it back that way, and no issue. It went back a lot quicker. So just keep that in mind, that that is an issue to send back if you're not keeping everything in your fix. You are not locked in to just a post office method of shipping it back. You can do FedEx as well. And my fix, when it comes, it gets dropped off by On Track, by the way. Just a side note. Anyways, I've already told you I'm definitely keeping the Z Supply dress in this fix. I am on the fence. I don't think I'm keeping the VERO MODA dress that I tried on second because, like I said to you, I think it's too long and I don't want to have it hemmed. I mean, it's only $59, but I don't think I pilfered enough to justify hemming that dress. The Z Supply top that I wore over the Becca linen button-down shirt, it's cute. It's again $79. I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna look back at the footage. This top, while I love Bella Doll, I have to say, in the box, I don't know if you can tell, but it is all wrinkled and it is linen. So is the Z Supply button-down shirt, but this just seemed to wrinkle a lot quicker than even that button-down. So I'm on the fence with that because I'm not big to want to iron things unless I really have to. And I could see that this might need to be ironed more than not. And then the heels were really cute, but I kind of felt like they were a little slippery when I was walking in them, so I'd have to wear them around a little bit maybe in my house to see. So I don't have a lot of black. Like, that is something that I don't have in my wardrobe, black heels, like little kitten heels. So they might be something I would consider adding, but I want to make sure that they're actually comfortable. Like, I wore them for the try on. And again, on my floors, I felt like I was kind of like slipping a little. So I want to wear them around a little bit in the house just to see if they still are not like that I'm slipping. If I am, then I would say they'd have to go back. And these jeans, adorable, but I have rails jeans. It's very similar, but a little longer, I guess, that I bought last year. So I'm not sure I need these. I mean, they are a little different fit because they are a little shorter, and I do want to look back at the footage, but you know, I have that other pair, so do I need, that's, you know, debatable here. So again, I'm going to look back at the footage, but I would really appreciate those that watch this video to give me your feedback and see if I'm missing the mark on something. But otherwise, I mean, you've seen everything, you know the pricing. Yeah, I mean, pretty good fix. Jaren really, she's great when she styles me. I don't normally have any issues. She tries her best, and I think she knows my style at this point, so I am thankful for that. But yeah, so that's it. That was my most recent fix. And for those of you that are returning subscribers, thank you for your continued support and friendship. It really does mean the world to me. If you are not a subscriber, hit the button below and please join this channel if you liked what you saw and you'd like to see more of this. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to say have a magical day and bye for now.